Hello everyone, I just bought this Screenmend to try to repair a large hole in my screen. My dog, this dog, tried to get through the screen to get to another dog and punched a nice big hole there that's maybe 3 by 5. So these are 5 by 7. All the videos that I've seen on YouTube just show spot repairs of little holes. So I'm going to try to attempt to repair a big rip that goes just like you see how we do. I've got some concerns. Let's see if we can't work our way through this. So the first thing I'm concerned about here is that the fact that it's pushed out, and I'm going to take a look at this, and I can bring this in a little bit and that part will stay, but this side just won't. It just won't hold. It just keeps flopping back. So what I'm going to attempt to do is I'm going to attempt to get it to adhere down here, and then try to get it to adhere down over here to this piece, and then try to get this piece on first. So let's see how that goes. Alright, let's see what we can do here. We've got the Screenmends here, and we've got 2 patches in here, so we're going to take the first patch out. So here's what we've got. It's a little bit bigger than we want, which is what we want. And let's see what we can do here. Alright, so it looks like that's sticking. And let's see if we can't pull this flap in. Get it to stay in like that. Come on, stay in. I can hold it like that. I can hold it like that. Alright, so I think this might work better if I've got something laying against it on the outside, so I'm going to try to put a board on it on the outside. Okay, so I was able to set up a board, and yellow pages here, and that seems to be doing a pretty good job holding it in place. So let's see what we can get here. It's doing a much better job. Gives me something to kind of press against. It actually feels pretty sticky there on my fingers, just a little bit that I got on there. So let's take that off and see how it's holding. I think I'm actually going to want to try to put another patch on the other side as well. So let's see what happens here. Okay, so here's what it looks like on the outside. It's not too bad. It's kind of adhering, but we still got pieces that aren't really sticking that well. It does look like it did a pretty good job all around. Let's see if we can't put a little bit more on here now. Alright, so we got it in place, and we don't have any backing on it because, well, it's all together right now, so let's see what we can do. Like it's kind of adhered. Seems pretty well stuck. Can't pull it off, not that I really want to. It's on there pretty good. It's on there pretty good. Let's see how it looks on the inside. So here it is. He's ready to try to get through it again. But here it is. It's patched. It doesn't look great, but it looks better than having a hole there. And it seems like it's going to stick. Obviously it's double-sided now. It's adhered to itself. And yeah, and you can still see the rip in there. The original rip right there. But I do believe the window is now safe again to open up for my dog to enjoy the fresh air.